Welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you another solution to the rock paper scissors game. I'm gonna import random. I'm gonna define a function here called print instructions. I will add those prints here. Then I'll create another function down here. Def get user choice colon, and I will type while true choice equals to input your choice rock paper scissors and I'm gonna put lower because maybe it will pass an uppercase rock, so I'm gonna lower it, and I'll type if choice, so I'm gonna check for the choice in, I'm gonna create a list here in rock paper scissors quit. If that is the case, I'm gonna return choice, else I'm gonna print invalid choice. Please choose rock paper or rock paper or, so please choose rock paper comma or scissors. All right, I'll create another function down here. Def get computer choice, and I'm gonna return random dot choice parenthesis square brackets rock paper scissors, and I will go down. I will create another function def determine underscore winner. This is gonna determine the winner, and I'll type here if, but let's define some parameters. Let's type here user choice and computer choice. And I'll type here if user choice equals computer choice, then I'm gonna return it's a tie, it's a tie. Else if I'm gonna put here parenthesis user choice equals rock and computer choice equals scissors. I'm gonna put or. I'll go on the next line and I'll type here parentheses and I'll put user choice equals scissors and computer choice equals paper. And here I should put this thing to go to the next line. Alright, so we put this thing here because this is a line, which a line continuation characters, and it allows you to split a single line of code into multiple lines of code for better reliability without breaking the code. So this is what that is doing. So I'm gonna put here or backslash. I'll put parentheses again, user choice equals paper and computer choice equals rack. I'm gonna put colon. I'm gonna go to the next line. Let's bring this here. Let's push this a little bit. Colon, and I'll type here return u1, and I'm gonna put here else return computer wins. Now let's create another function, def play underscore round, and I'm gonna put colon, and I'll type here user choice equals get user choice, and I'll type if user choice equals quit. I'm gonna return false with uppercase, so false. I'm gonna type here computer choice equals get computer choice. I'll add a print, so print, and it's gonna say computer choose must 10. Let's put the placeholder. I'm gonna put that format, so format, and I will insert here computer choice. Then I'm gonna go down here and I'll type print determine winner user choice and computer choice, and I'm gonna return true. Next I'm gonna go down here, I'll type again another function, def play underscore game colon, and I'll type print instructions print underscore instructions. Then I'll type here while true, if not play round, so if it's not playing the round, I'm gonna break. Else, outside of the while loop, I'm gonna type print thanks for playing. And I'll put here if actually I'm gonna delete this. Okay, now let's test the game. So I'm gonna type here to call the play game function. I'm gonna run this, and we have welcome to rock paper scissors instructions. Enter rock paper or scissors to make your choice. Enter quit to exit the game. Let's begin. So your choice is rock paper or scissors. I'm gonna type rock, and the computer choose scissors. I won. I'm gonna type paper, the computer chooses scissors, and computer wins. So our program works fine. If I type here quit, as you can see, thanks for playing, process finished with exit code 0, so our program was terminated. Okay, this is another way of solving this, and I'll see you in the next video.